Welcome back to Mama's Mask. On this episode of Mama's Mask, we're going to talk about the mask difference. Beside us is Caitlin and Samantha, and both of them are modeling two different type of masks. The mask that Caitlin has on is the popular paper mask that you see a lot of people wear because they feel like they're cooler. But even if you see these, they're flat against the face, and if they don't pinch them across the nose bridge, it's not closed up all the way. But one of the biggest differences that you can see is there's still a gap on the side and a gap here at the bottom. Even though they're a popular choice in the mask, they're disposable, and so sanitizing them can also be an issue. Over here we have Samantha. She's modeling another type of mask, which is a homemade mask. The problem with this is the same mask as the one that Caitlin had on, but it's cloth. Again, it's not sealed all the way at the top. Turn to the side. It's not sealed. It's sealed kind of a little bit on the side, but not underneath the chin. So again, her mask is not sealed all the way around her face. So the next mask that Caitlin has on is her N95 mask. Now, her N95 mask actually has a filter inside of her mask. Let me switch that one out. Has a filter inside of her mask that looks like this inside of her mask. And when she puts it on, it's flat against her face, and she has a filter for her to be able to breathe. And it fits pretty good, other than the fact that there's a little bit of gapping on either side of her mask, and it doesn't fit all the way up underneath her chin, but she does have the N95 filter. The only problem with these masks are they're pretty hot to wear in the summertime, and I also have this one, and we like to take it down because it's pretty hot. This is the true N95 mask that you cannot find anywhere, and we only have two of them left over from the painting a couple of years ago. That when you put it on your face, it does seal all the way around your face and all the way around your head, and it does create that bubble inside. It has a pretty good airflow, which is the reason why these are left for the doctors, probably because they can breathe in them comfortably, and they're sealing all the way around the face. Now, the difference in the mask is that you see Samantha has on the mask that I have made. It's a variation of masks that are out there. And as you can see, her mask is sealed if she looks down, all the way here around her face. It's sealed on the sides. There's no gapping on the sides. And all the way underneath her chin, you see it's sealed all the way up underneath her chin, underneath her mask. And it's pulled tight as she probably comfortably wants around her ears. And what these masks do for you is they kind of give you the fit a little bit like the N95 mask, but of course we cannot guarantee N95 protection without a medical grade mask. But I wanted you to know the mask difference between the N95 mask, the cloth N95 mask, some of the homemade masks that are out there, and the paper mask, and know the protection that you're getting when you wear Mama's mask. Thank you. See you next time.